t-shirts,
and sweaters. La, 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 la. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, Adelaine! Oh my gosh, guys, we haven't collabed since I lived in Toronto like 5 years ago. We did like an OG prom collab. Oh my god, wait, let me put some footage in. No! Right now, yes! Roll it, roll it! I know, that's all I know. Okay. Oh no. So it's been a hot minute and we're back, and today, Adelaine, do you want to get that promo? You want to get that promo?
We are actually launching a makeup palette with Tarte. I'm gonna be using the palette on Lauren and I'm so excited. She's my baby coming from my womb, and now she's in Ulta stores and Tarte.com.
That's so exciting. Like being in Ulta is like so exciting, I feel like.
Being in Target is so exciting.
Yeah. Oh, true. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a cool thing that's happening. So I'm gonna do a glow up. I just have like some foundation on right now, but Adeline's gonna snatch my face. I also like haven't gotten my makeup done since Manny did it, so it's been a hot minute. Also, I'm sweating already. This is coming.
I know, I'm sweating already too.
Okay, I'm ready. Snatch me.
Woo!
Snatch me.
Okay, so I wanted to start off with J-Loing you up.
J-Lo me.
A little bit. Oh. Sadness. She's Marc Jacobs. We're gonna put that on the face.
Wow, I really haven't been snatched in so long. I'm sorry, we're not done the side.
This is like a lot of pressure. Manny's so good.
You're so good. Also, like, I don't really have plans tonight, so I can't wait to just like live my life being extra AF.
Yes!
With, like, so much makeup.
Yes.
Like, I'll have to get my boyfriend to take me to like Cheesecake Factory or
Ooh.
something.
We could go like light glam.
No, glammy.
Okay.
Glammy. Do it for the IG too, for like the post IG.
Okay.
Also, I keep thinking you're done. I do my bronzer in about 14 seconds. I just like imagine how hot I could be if I like actually took time to do my makeup, you know?
I mean, I do it so much that it's like I get like a little bit quicker. Maybe you just like are really quick with your routine.
I'm just not good. That's what I'm trying to say. I wear the same thing every single day, and that's it.
We love the DIY queen though. She's good at DIY.
And not makeup.
No, you are! Shut up.
It's like, I know my strengths, you know? It's like, if you're not good at cooking, you Postmates. I'm not good at cooking, I'm not good at makeup, I'm good at DIY. And I know that! You don't play to your strengths! Wait, also, will your song be out when this video comes out?
I mean, probably, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Also, how much fun did you have doing a music video?
So much. So guys, I did the
same team.
Same team that Lauren did for her Roast Yourself. You saw how extra hers was.
They were so extra!
So extra. So like I was like, Lauren, like tell me your secrets, how do you do it? And she was like, beep boopity bop, and then we made it happen. But yeah. I'm always following in your footsteps.
Canadian girls gotta support each other. We gotta stay together. Honestly, like Lily took me under her wing, and I feel like I like give you all the advice I can.
Lily was your
my Canadian mentor.
Yeah, and then now you're my Canadian mentor. So this is what she looks like. Wait, this is a bad one. Wait. 1 second.
This one been in use. She getting some airtime.
Okay, she's better. So this is what she looks like.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
These are all the colors that I wear every single day, and I thought that it would be good for like every single skin tone. So like,
true.
I don't know. That was what the goal was.
I feel like we also have a similar skin tone, so I feel like this will be good on my face.
Yay, hopefully.
Yeah.
Painterly paint pot on the lids, just a prime.
Also guys, while this is happening, Blue and Moose right now are having the playdate of their lives, and it's so cute.
So cute.
Wait, insert photo now of them both in their sweaters. I die.
I think they became best friends once the sweaters went
on, yeah.
Without the sweaters, they're a little bit, you know,
little wacko, little psycho.
A little crazy.
Little cray-cray.
I wonder if a lot of people's dogs are like that, where you put a sweater on and they're a lot more calm.
Oh my gosh, yeah, let us know, guys. Moose honestly becomes a different dog when he's in a sweater.
Yeah, Blue too.
Like, he's kind of a psycho.
Blue too. She's a psycho without it, and then with it, she's like, conceal, don't feel, don't let him know. No. For your look, I was thinking like, maybe a Kylie Jenner like yellow inner corner kind of thing, if you're down.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Something like this. How do we feel?
We feel like yellow looks better on you than crazy. I want to look like your crazy ones. Not like this crazy, like not crazy.
Do you want to cut crease?
I don't know what that means.
Oh my god!
I feel like these colors look really good on me.
Okay. Like the red.
God, I'm such a makeup noob.
No, you're not.
I really am.
No.
I really am. It's fine.
This is what a cut crease is. It's kind of like, you know what I mean?
The amount of times that I could have Googled what a cut crease is, but didn't. Honestly, do whatever you want.
Yeah.
I am your canvas to play with today.
Yes! Okay, I want to do a natural cut crease on you.
Should I let Blue in?
Aww. Yeah, we can let her in. Sorry. You have to promise to be quiet.
Blue has entered the room. Oh my god. Oh wait, here, do you want me to just hold her?
Yeah.
Wow, this just became the best makeup tutorial in the entire world. Getting snatched with a dog on my lap.
Yes! I'm gonna put girl supporting girl in the crease. We're gonna be using contour in the crease as well.
Blue, you're really not helping the situation with the body heat.
She's just really warm.
Just like a little like potato of heat.
I never said that before. Potato of heat.
She is a small potato.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay. You're okay. Relax. You're okay. Relax.
How do we like the couch? What do we think about the couch?
I think she'll like the couch. Just give her a little ploop. Ploop, ploop. Yay!
Wow, I'm so excited to look snatched AF.
You're putting a lot of pressure on me. It's a little scary.
Honestly, I don't wear any eye makeup on a daily basis. So putting anything on my eye makes me look better.
Okay, now we're gonna be using Beat Bop, and we're gonna be kind of using that as like a little bit of an eyeliner.
Can you talk to me about beat bop? What is a beat bop?
It's just like when you see a dog and they're like doing like a little beat bop, beat bop, beat bop.
Is it a verb? Like
I
to
feel
beat
like
bop.
Blue's beat bopping. Or it can also be an adjective. It could really be a noun too. Like it could be really anything.
Like you are a beat bop.
Yeah, it's just a fun thing to say. Blue just kind of started the beat bop. Man, I feel like I should have came up with questions. I could have pulled a James Charles.
He must prep for those videos so hard.
I know. I honestly might. I had a couple leftover questions from Alicia. How old were you when you first started wearing makeup?
Oh my god, how old was I? I would have been in high school.
High school? Really?
Yeah, definitely.
What?
Mascara and a little bit of concealer.
Yeah?
That's like what I started with. And I remember that I like didn't know what a makeup wipe was at the time. And so like if I got mascara on,
She's just gonna be right here.
if I got mascara on the top of my eyelid while I was doing it, I thought that that meant that like I just had to take it all off. And so I would take all my mascara off and just be like, do I have time to do this before I go to school? If not, I just like took it all off and went to school. I know.
What?
I would just wash my entire face and just be like, yes, I'm not wearing makeup today.
Oh my god.
Is Blue beat bopping?
I think she is beat bopping.
Are you a beat bop right now?
Okay, now I'm gonna use Shape Tape and we're gonna be cutting the crease.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ah.
I'm so excited to watch this back and learn how to do this.
I love doing this. You can have bad eyeshadow and then cut the crease and you're like, instant good.
Blue's like making a run for it.
She's like, I know where the toy is. I'm gonna get it. Random question, but what does girl supporting girls mean to you?
Honestly, I like love the girl supporting girls thing.
Aww.
So like guys, here's the thing, is that there's so many YouTubers who are so secretive about like their success or people they work with and stuff.
And you're not.
And yeah, I'm just like not like that.
Shh. Okay, I'm sorry, Blue. It's outside time. I feel like you don't give yourself enough credit because I think you are good at makeup. Like, there was never a time where I was like, ooh. You know what I mean? Like, you are really good.
I like know how to make my face look okay.
You know how to make your face look good.
Okay, it looks okay.
No.
I also know that like I'm not great at eyeshadow, so I would never try and like make a black eyeshadow
Yeah,
work
that's
on
so
my
hard.
face.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like I stick to like neutrals and golds and browns because like even if I mess it up, it'll like still look
decent.
okay. I know my limits, people. I really do.
But you're a Leo. You're supposed to be, I don't know, just like outgoing and confident and like always trying new things. I don't know.
Sometimes I'm super Leo and sometimes I'm super not Leo. I'm like decently confident, like I know who I am and stuff. I like to be like a group project leader. Like I'm down to like take that role.
Yeah, that's Leo AF.
That's Leo AF.
Leo AF.
Yeah, so like in university I was like always like the group project person who was like
in charge?
Yeah, being like,
Yeah.
okay, here are the deadlines. Like,
Yeah.
everyone do your ish. I like trying new things, but I'm like also pretty, can I like open my eyes or should I keep them closed? Oh, great.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm also pretty routinely, I guess. You're an Aquarius. Tell me all the things about Aquarius.
We're weird.
Okay.
We're the rarest sign.
What's 9 months back from like January? I guess it would be like January, February, March. It'd be like March. So no one doing the whoa 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 in March.
I don't know. I guess March is like.
March is kind of a
Wait,
depressing.
isn't that's before you get your taxes done? So no one's in the mood.
True,
You know what I mean?
True. That's tax season. We ain't feeling like doing the. And that's why there's no Aquarius. This is scientific facts. Wow! I like can't see what I look like.
I want to add glitter. Last minute decision for glitter.
We love
Are you down for glitter?
Heck yeah, I'm down for glitter. I'm always down for glitter.
Oh yeah, you're always
what
down
you
for
mean,
glitter.
girl? Ooh, pretty.
This is a steal of glitter. I'm so excited. You'll be like, oh me? Do you feel like you lost your Canadian since living here so much?
No, not at all.
Really?
I like stopped saying washroom because Americans get so confused. They're
I
like,
know.
They're like, did you get laundry? And I'm like, what? That doesn't make sense.
I know.
But I definitely still say sorry. I definitely still say A. I definitely still say OU differently than everyone else.
Like a boot?
Yeah. I
Really?
mean,
I never really said a boot.
I mean, I don't say a boot, but like apparently I still say it different than everyone else because they really like to let me know that I still say it really differently. And I still only know what temperature is in Celsius.
Oh my god, same! I don't understand Fahrenheit.
It's just a lot. It's a lot. I know.
I can't believe I asked if you wanted glitter. I should have just known.
Oh girl, the answer is
I should have just known.
always yes.
Oh my god, okay, you can open it.
I'm so excited.
Now we're going to be doing like kind of like a highlight and blush moment. I'm gonna use Promise Ring in the inner corner.
Do you have a promise ring?
I do, but I mean, I'm not wearing it right now. Not because I don't like him, but it's because it's like the gems fell out. You know what I mean? Like she's old, like the gems fell out. Like she was getting a little rusty. I would wear her everywhere.
Got
you know?
it. But
so like
she getting fixed.
yeah, exactly. Okay, duck. Oh my god, I forgot to contour your nose. Ooh.
I should watch some videos and learn how to do that because that really changes the whole face.
You ever contour your nose?
Oh my god, no. Like it would just be a bad situation.
If you just like do it naturally, because you have a nice like bridge.
Oh my god.
Like you can make it look like skinny. Like, oh my god, I can't breathe.
Like some James Charles post face too, and like that kind of nose. Yeah. I say this in every makeup video that I've ever done. Like I feel like there should be so many transferable skills in like crafting and makeup.
100%.
I know. I feel like I could get myself to be okay.
Yeah. Do you use this for your foundation?
Yeah.
Okay.
You said that as if I shouldn't be using that brush for my foundation.
No, I didn't.
Like,
No.
Foundation.
I didn't do that. No. It's a very nice brush. I want to clean it when you're done.
It needs to be cleaned so bad. You know what I just do is that instead of cleaning my brushes because I'm so bad at it, I just like start using a new brush.
When you buy laurDIY at Target, that's what the money goes towards. New brushes, because she doesn't know how to clean them.
I really don't. And I just buy like the crappiest, cheapest ones. James Charles sent me his set of brushes.
Yeah,
and I was
and
like,
that's so good.
Oh, honestly, I haven't even
good.
used them though because I'm too scared because I don't want to get them dirty because I don't know how to clean them.
Baby shampoo.
Oh.
Yeah, very easy.
We learning.
Very easy. We're gonna be highlighting.
Oh yes. Give me all the highlights.
This is my favorite part about the palette. Like if you are in Ulta and you just see it, just like swatch the highlight and you also smell her. Smell.
Ooh.
Vanilla.
Yeah, it smells so good.
A highlight. A highlight. I'm gonna highlight your nose.
Am I like almost done?
Yes. Yes.
I'm so excited to be super hot today.
Both literally and figuratively.
Yeah, I stopped sweating once we opened a window though. I feel much better. Should I fill my brows in? I'll do that off camera.
They're not filled in?
No. Girl, we microbladed. I got that cut into my face.
I thought they were filled in. No. Last question that I have for you. What are you manifesting this year?
I don't know, just like happiness, success. I want to be more flexible. So I get like stretched out at my chiropractor once a week.
Oh, I thought you meant more flexible with like your time. You want to be like more flexible.
I want to be like literally like more flexible.
Like,
yeah. I want to be able to do that. What are you manifesting this year?
Happiness, sanity, sleep. Your perfect lip shade is the color of your nipple.
Oh my god, I saw that on Twitter.
Yeah. And then we're using ColourPop. This was the Make-A-Wish line with Delilah. And I love it. It's a really good shade. So Delilah, we love you. Shout out to you. Do you ever wear dark lips like this?
I want to see how close this is. It's like pretty close. I would say I'm a little more peachy than this.
Yeah, I'm a little more brown than this. This video got a little personal. Wait. I want to do setting spray. Boom.
I can't wait to see what I look like. I really have no idea.
I'm excited for you to see too, because your eyes. Alrighty, are you ready for the reveal?
Wait, yeah. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, that's a cut crease. Oh. Whoa, look at this highlighter. Look at that. Wow, I look.
If you need to fix anything, I could do anything.
What do you mean fix anything? What would I fix? Wow, I look good.
I one more question for you.
Okay.
Tell me your favorite story with Moose.
Okay, so one time he used to be really psycho in the car. Now he's great in the car. He used to be
Like
super
chill?
psycho. Like he's so chill. He just like goes to sleep and just hangs, looks out the window. Moose used to be a psycho in the car. And he literally one time, I had the window cracked maybe halfway. He has a seatbelt. He had a car seat and a seatbelt. And he literally, from my back seat, dove out the window.
While you were driving?
While I was driving. Literally dove out the window. And then like, thank God Moose has the thickest neck in the entire world. He was hanging out the window by his seatbelt on his collar and his harness. And I had to stop in the middle of traffic. And honestly, like, thank God, like, no one was honking at me or anything. But there was cars, like, had to, like, abruptly stop. I was in the middle of, like, a busy street. And I was, like, shoving Moose back in the window. Trying to, like, get out of the road. Oh, my God. I was, like, panic attack, hyperventilating. Oh, my God. It was insane. That's, like, the most Moose thing I've ever heard. Like, he's so unfazed by pain because he's, like, a bull terrier. And he was just, like, after he was, like... And I was like, you are insane.
Oh my God. So cute. Well, this is the finished makeup.
Yay! I got brails on now.
Yes.
Wow, I look snatched AF.
Oh my God.
Like, all I want to do is look at my face.
Just like, well, thank you.
No, I'm really not. Every time someone does my makeup for real, I'm like, who is this person? Anyways, thank you so much for snatching my face.
No problem.
Guys, so go get the Adelaine Morin palette if you haven't already, because like when this video goes up, it'll already be live. Like, can it sell out? Will it sell out? It'll
I'm not
sell
sure.
out, right?
I think we sell it, but I'm not sure if we're gonna restock.
Got it. So if it's not sold out already, go get it. I'll have a link in the description box below. And we're also gonna film a DIY with girls supporting girls merch. So I'll also have a link for that in the down bar below. Wow, thank you for snatching my face.
Oh my God.
And we gonna go DIY. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running